Hello, I am Yasmin and I will tell you about what is machine learning. Machine learning is the use and development of computer systems that are able to learn and adapt without following a sleep instruction by using algorithm and statistic model to analyze and draw inference from pattern in data. A branch of AI and computer science which focus on the use of data and algorithm to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Machine learning is an important component of the growing field of data science. Next, we move to how machine learning works. First, a decision process. Machine learning by algorithm used to make prediction and classification based on input data that can be labeled, unlabeled that algorithm can produce an estimate about pattern of data. 2 is a error function. Evaluate the prediction of the model. If there are known example and error function can make comparison to assess the accuracy of the model. Lastly is a model optimization process. If the model can fit better to the data point in the training set, then weights are adjusted to reduce the discrepancy between the known example, the model estimate. The algorithm will repeat the evaluate and optimize process, updating weight autonomously until a threshold or accuracy has been met.
Assalamualaikum. Now we can proceed to the common machine learning issue. Although machine learning is being used in every industry and help organizations make more informed and data-driven choices that are more effective and classical methodologies, it still has so many problems that can be ignored. There are some common issues in machine learning that professionals face to inculcate ML skill and create an application for the sketches.
The first issue of machine learning is to understand which processes need automation. In terms of machine learning, it is becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between fact and fiction. Before deciding on an AI platform, you should consider the problem you want to tackle. The operation that are done manually every day, which no variable output are the easier to automate. Complicated procedures necessitate a future connection before automation. Why machine learning may certainly aid the automation of some process, it not required for all automation consensus. Okay, the next is a lack of quality data in machine learning. The major issues that come while using machine learning algorithm is the lack of quality as well as quality of data. Although data play a vital role in processing of machine learning algorithm, many data scientists claim that lack of quality data, noisy data, and unclean data are extremely exhausting the machine learning algorithm. For example, a simple task requires thousands of sample data, and an advanced task such as speech of image recognition need millions of sample data examples. Further, data quality is also important for the algorithm to work ideally, but the absence of quality data is also found in machine learning application. Data quality can be affected by some factors as follows. Okay, the first one is noisy data. What is noisy data? Noisy data can be responsible for an accurate prediction that affected the decision as well as accurately in the classification task. Okay, the next is incorrect data. Incorrect data it is also responsible for the faulty programming and result obtained in the machine learning model. Hence, incorrect data may affect the accuracy of the result also. The last one is generalizing of output data. Sometimes it also found the generalizing of output data become complex, which result in cooperatively for future action. Okay, why improve algorithm frequently observes the measure of AI general effort data quality is also the main critical for the algorithm to function as intended. The third of common issue in the machine learning is representative training data. To make sure our training data is generalized well or not, we have to ensure that sample training data must be representative of new cases that we need to generalize. The training data must cover all cases that are already occur as well as occurring. Further, if we are using a representative training data in the model, in the result is less accurate prediction. Okay, as we know that a machine learning model is said to be ideal if it predict well for generalized cases and provide accurate decision. If there is less training data, then there will be a simply noise in the model called the non-representative training set. It won't be accurate in predictions. To overcome this, it will be biased against one class of a group. Hence, we should use representative data in training to protect against being biased and make accurate predict without any drift.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IKHMAL bin SUHAIRI. My metric number is 059337. So I through to the fourth of machine learning issues, which is implementation. Organization frequently have analytic engines in place by the time they decide to upgrade to machine learning. It is very difficult to undertaking to integrate newer machine learning approaches into all the methodologies. Maintain appropriate interpretation and documentation aid in implementation. Working with an implementation partner can make much easier to build services like anomaly detection, predictive analysis, and ensemble modeling. And lastly, for the issues is lack of skill resources. Deep analytics and machine learning are still relatively young technologies. As a result, there is a scarcity of experienced people to manage and generate analytical content for machine learning. Data scientists frequently require both domain experience and in-depth knowledge of science, technology, and mathematics. Recruitment will necessitate paying high wages because these personnel are frequently in high demand and understand their worth. You can also ask your vendor for assistance with staffing, as many managed services providers keep a roster of competent data scientists on hand to deploy at any moment. So we go to the common machine learning suggestion. The first one is expert guidance for recent grades. With the availability of expert energy, it can guide new employees in generating fresh machine learning alternative in current day and age.
Next, the government must invest in better infrastructure. The creation of adequate infrastructure has the potential to contribute to progress during this period. Let's return to the example of the fashion aficionado to explain how machine learning-based recommender systems truly carry out their job. The latest fashion trends as well as the assortment of goods offered by the shop are strong areas of expertise for your company, Nancy. Also, she has already defined your taste because she is completely aware of what you often buy and wear. In addition, there is a vast list of personal factors that could have affected your style. Yet, not all stores owners get this benefit. Once you go inside their store, many vendors see you for the first time. As a result, they will need to talk to you, learn about you, determine what kind of customer you are, and suggest products that suit your taste. In terms of marketing, they need to segment you or group you into a specific customer archetype or buyer persona based on your traits. And then, they may provide you suggestions for products that fit your archetype. Then, conduct industrial training programs. This strategy is ideal for people interested in machine learning. We take several sectors related to machine learning. The first is software development. Software development is a rapidly expanding industry, and machine learning may support a wide range of operations. Budget and time concerns are common. Machine learning can analyze data from previous projects, including user stories and estimates, and offer a more precise budget estimate. Machine learning does away with the necessity to program computers with rules for what to do and how to do it. Data is prepared by a developer and put into learning algorithms. Even trend or subtitles that the creators had not considered can be discovered by machine learning algorithms. The second one is retail and customer service. The pandemic upset many old processes over the past year, which led to a significant shift in this industry. Machine learning has become a critical enabler of change in this situation. This industry is using machine learning to reimagine its supply chain, inventory management, user behavior prediction, and trend analysis. In this area, conversational chatbots are a significant breakthrough. An artificial intelligence-powered 24-hour customer care chat can assist in handling the majority of inquiries and transferring clients to live operators when necessary. This lowers the cost of providing customer service while raising client happiness. Conclusion is in the subject of artificial intelligence known as machine learning. Algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions are designed and developed. Automating the creation of analytical models and enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming are the goals of machine learning. But it's crucial to keep in mind that machine learning is only as effective as the data used to train the algorithms. It is crucial to use high-quality data that is representative of the real-world data that the algorithm will be used on in order to make precise prediction.